So hey guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another big vlog of Soms Lifestyle. And ये जगह आप लोगों को familiar लग रहा होगा. Yes, we are at RC Tunes right now with the first fast car of 2025 that I am vlogging. So Adi is here with me. How are you?
Hi everyone, I'm good. I hope you all are doing well too.
Yes, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year
the
everyone.
first one
Welcome to 2025.
Right.
And today we've got something rather cracking for you, literally.
Right.
So we've got an A35 AMG that's coming for stage 2. This car is getting a very nice Venom performance stage 2 pops and lines map. It's going to give you the confidence and the edge you need because we've done a couple of stage 1 A35s and they are fast.
They are on my one is there on
yes,
my
that's
video.
there on your vlog.
Right.
And this one is significantly better than that, significantly faster than that.
Yes, I rode it yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, who knew that a downpipe would make such a difference? Sarcasm. But yes, so we are coming from 300 bhp now to 365 bhp. And we are jumping from 400 to 485 to 490 Newton meters of torque.
Right.
So the gains in this are massive.
Massive.
And yeah, since it's pops and bangs, things are going to be quite dramatic when we are behind the wheel of this car, which you'll see soon.
Right.
And other than that, we've given this car a full Decat downpipe, and intake filter will be changed. Other than that, this car is absolutely set and ready to go. We've checked everything in the car. Everything is sound. So everything is set for the power it's going to get. And just really hoping that it puts a smile on everyone's face as soon as we get to showcase this car on our channel.
Right.
So that's about it.
So say something about the engine. What engine this
so
holds?
this is a 2-liter turbocharged engine. This from factory comes. It's a good power output considering it's a 2-liter engine, but at the same time, its power weight delivers in comfort mode can be better, which is what basically people go for when they tune this car. They need the drivability. So we give it that, and other than that, it's an all-wheel drive, so it's great fun around the corners as well.
Right.
Considering it's a A-class, it goes like a rocket.
True. I rode in it. It's crazy. So Adi, आपका एक बार ये बता दो आपका phone number और address.
Right. So my number is 98307-58567, and we are located in Lake Gardens, 188 by 50. On social media, you'll find us under Superchips Kolkata or tunes_Parsi.
Okay. And Google Map link and phone number will always be on the description box below. So feel free to contact them for any kinds of performance mods.
Absolutely.
Right.
I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side. And I don't wanna wait, love, cause you're keeping me alive. We will love till the end of time. We'll live even when we die. I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side. They'll have to take us to the afterlife. And I need you can save me. I will play through if you betray me, cause I know that I'll always be the one for you.
The car is in which mode?
Sports Plus right now.
Gearbox.
Sports.
Let's go.
Need to recline the seats.
much better.
It's feeling so much nicer than stock. It's at 3,500 to 4,000, not below that. I need more revs. At 3.5 it starts coming, and higher you go, the more aggressive the option will get. Below that, it's absolutely drama free. You can drive it absolutely normally, no issues.
Still, all the windows are closed, right?
Yeah, windows are.
दिल से क्यों जा रहा है? अरे in comfort, it's just another car.
Absolutely different car. The car feels like it's a normal A-class everyday runner with obviously now a much better driving experience. Sports Plus, my goodness. Because this car is so nimble, one actually forgets that there's so much power under the hood. But when you look at the speedometer, you realize you're doing some good speed. Drive safe.
Of course, always.
Yeah.
Window. So guys, how do you like the car and how do you like the driving experience of the car? जरूर से comment section में बताना. And अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई भी BMW M340i would be a perfect competitor for this car.
It'll be a lot faster.
Lot faster, right? Yeah, we have done many M340i's, but there is no videos.
This time we are going to be sending you an amazing 340i already.
Okay.
So get some great content. Don't worry.
Right. So yeah, video कैसा लगा, गाड़ी कैसा लगा, जरूर से comment section में बताना. It was a pocket rocket, so 360 bhp, right? Like, and the torque. Mental. So if you guys enjoyed today's video for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on, follow me on Instagram @username 404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon.
Okay. Our love, it won't fade out. There's no doubt.